Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I'll be making a quick and easy dish, stir-fried pork belly with chili. This dish highlights the original and natural taste of the ingredients, as no marinade is required. First, let's prepare the pork belly, green chilies, garlic, and ginger. As you can see, I also used Thai chilies, which are very spicy, but this is optional. Feel free to leave them out if you don't want the dish to be too spicy. Cut the pork belly into thin slices. The ideal thickness is about 2 mm. Cut the chili into strips and chop the garlic and ginger. Turn on the heat. Use the medium to high heat and stir-fry the pork belly. No oil is needed because the pork belly will release a lot of naturally occurring oil during the stir-frying process. When you see oil in the pan, add ginger. This helps to get rid of the gamey odor in pork. Stir-fry the meat and ginger until the meat slices turn golden brown. At this time, there should be plenty of oil left in the pan. We'll just use about 1 tablespoon of oil to stir-fry the chili peppers, and use the rest of the oil for other dishes. Add the chili and garlic. Stir-fry for 2 minutes. Add the cooked meat. Turn down the heat to medium and adjust the flavor to your liking. Here I've added 1 tablespoon of rice cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and mixed well. Turn off the heat and enjoy! It's quick and easy, spicy and very savory. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye!